Hi guys, Kiwi Dranex Drain Cleaner. It is used to dissolve and dislodge hair, grease that can cause a blockage in the pipe. In this video, we are going to see how to use this drain cleaner powder, and it's a one-time use pack. It's a 50-gram pack, MRP is Rs 32. We can use this powder for blockage in the kitchen sink, wash basin, balcony drains, shower stalls. It melts hair and grease and clear the drain pipes completely. So how to use it is, remove the excess water from the sink. Now pour the powder down the drain. Add a cup of water and leave it for about 30 minutes. After half an hour, pour plenty of water to clean the drain. Please make sure that you take precautions while using it. Do not touch the powder as it is a chemical composition and it can cause severe skin burns, so be careful while using it. You don't have to touch it actually, just cut the pack and empty content into the drain. So avoid physical contact and keep it away from the reach of children and pet. And it works effectively in just 30 minutes and it is as good as new to use. And the best part is you don't have to call the plumber. Totally worth the buy. Great product. Go for it and subscribe for more.